Welch Allyn Headlight Solid-State Portable is a game-changer in the medical field. Weighing only 4 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. The rechargeable batteries housed in the headband make it completely portable, giving the user the freedom to move around without being tethered to a power source. With a color temperature of 5,500 Kelvin, this headlight provides bright white shadow-free light, allowing the user to see tissue characteristics clearly and accurately. Its operating life expectancy of more than 10,000 hours makes it a reliable and long-lasting tool for medical professionals. Not only is it more energy efficient than incandescent and most halogen lamps, but it also emits a cool beam that is safe to touch. With instant light and virtually maintenance-free operation, the Welch Allyn Headlight Solid-State Portable is a must-have for any medical professional looking for a reliable, efficient, and safe lighting solution.